Ayun, yung mahilig mangutang. Ayun o, nasa taas.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's vlog, our destination is we're going to Thailand. Why did I say that? You will see, guys. So we're now in the expressway heading to Thailand. Alright guys, this is the road going to Thailand. Junel! At tumigin muna kami rito sa tapat ni Junel kasi medyo umulan. Patila lang kami, Drix. Alright guys, we're here in Thailand.
Ay, ma-picture tayo?
You have air up here.
Ba't ang dami niyong utong? Ba't ang daming utong? Kaya nga. Ganito nga sa Thailand. Saan yung ano? Yung parang barko na tatawid ka daw tapos parang may free fish, mga ganon. Oo. Kulay na? Magdediretso ka dyan. Paano pag nalaglag ka? Goodbye. Kaso madulas.
Pa may branch pa to? Nueva Ecija and Tarlac. Okay. Tapos ito yung branch sa Laguna. Every weekend ang schedule is 8, no? Tapos pag weekdays 10 ang bukas. Okay. Hanggang ano oras yun? 8 PM. Okay.
May dumi.
Okay, so guys, this is our table. It's Kubo type, guys. Ang ganda. So if you're ready to order, just press that button. See that? Red light. And then you don't have to turn that off. Wait for the waiter. They are going to turn that off if they attended your table. And it's better if you are going to order first before you stroll the area, because I think their serving time is gonna take a while.
30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes. It depends on your pack. So we're 2 packs, so I think it's just gonna take 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna push the menu, show it to you guys. Alright, that's the menu here.
Ayan.
Kunyari wala kang sasakyan, paano mag-commute kung galing kang Alabang?
Alabang sir, meron po tayong bus sir. Isang way na po.
Anong
Ganon. Anong...
Santa Cruz na Santa Cruz. Tapos pag sinabi na ibaba sa isdaan, alam naman to.
Opo sir.
Alright.
Tapos abang-abang na din po ang ano naman po nito ay Sirena po sir.
Ano, sorry?
Sirena po yung pinaka-statue ng isdaan po sa labas.
Pag
Mabilis po makikita tayo.
kahit sabihin lang na sirena, no? Alright guys, let's check the entire area. So, kung ano bang meron dito. Sino
Si
to,
President Obama.
What can you say here, Obama?
Ayan.
Baka magselo si Obama, inakbayan ko yung asawa niya. They also offer here face painting. I think this is free. I'm not sure. For your kids or for you, it's up to you. Wash it off with soap and water, so it's washable. Guys, they have boat riding here. There's no fee for if you want to ride boat. Just need to give tip to the bankero.
Tambay.
They have this area, they call it Taxiaco Ball. So you can release your anger.
Ayun! Nakikita mo yon si Marites? Tatamaan ko yung si Marites! Marites!
Floating restaurant park. Please.
Tapos, yung
pati yung
inggitero.
esposa mo
Sa yung mga inggitero dito.
Anger, ilabas ang sama ng
Corrupt, sister-in-law, brother, mahilig mangutang.
Ito po ay pwede niyo pong ibuhos ang inyong galit.
Ayun, yung mahilig mangutang.
Ito ang ating mga selected items.
Ayun o, nasa taas.
Flower base
Sapul na sapul ka.
and colored tea.
Paasa, leader kay Sobra Scatter.
At para naman po sa mga
High blood,
kasamang bata,
arthritis,
itong taon
casino,
gulang pababa,
manunuba-
meron po silang free bubbles, balloons, and fish
Taksil Marin. 5'6", professional classmate. Ayun na lang, boss manager, tsaka supervisor.
Asan?
Ayun o.
ang lalim.
Dali lang, ha?
Salamat po at mabuhay.
Mali, manunulot yun.
Ayun, kung galit ka sa manager mo, tang ina mo! Hindi naman.
Last, oh. Kuripot.
Hindi na tamaan. Uy,
5'6".
5'6", wala naman ang utang. Okay guys, you can release your stress here. Yeah, just pay things that you wanna break. You all set. Ito natin sa mga sipsem. Alright, so guys, this is our food. Ang dami pala nito. Busog na busog kami nito. So this is, ano to, lab?
Bangkang, ano,
Kalimutan ko, basta this is, ano,
spare ribs.
spare ribs. That's 1,000.
Na nasa bangka. Talagang bangka.
1,200.
1,200.
1,200 good for
3 to 4.
3 to 4. So malaki talaga yung servings niya. And then, it's
May
gonna
side
be
tofu pa. Oh.
Side tofu ka pa. And this is their pakbet. That's 300 plus. 100 plus. And then rice, binalot. That's a normal.
Free.
Free. Basta, hindi mo nga pala tayo nag-chop suey, ano.
Oo.
And bibigyan kayo ng libreng mug. Ayan, pwede mong ibato doon sa
Lahat ng
If you wanna
galit
release
mo,
your
ilabas
anger.
mo.
Ginawa na namin kanina. Meron palang libreng dalawa. Alright, so gonna eat first. And then... Guys, pwede rin mag-vape dito. Dito yung pinaka-vaping area. Sa mga open area, Yossi pwede rin kung gusto nyo. Basta yung katabing kubo is walang bata. Goods. Pero kung may bata, syempre, for consideration. Hoy, bawal umihi dyan.